So you see guys, I'm going in again at a lower price. So just dollar cost averaging down DCA. So as the price goes down, I'm entering new position. So as you can see, I've still got my current position. I'm in negative profit, but I'm not worried because I know we're going back up to the moon. So I'm going to be dollar averaging down, entering another lower position, but adding to my current position. And that means more profit, right? So hopefully to catch that. Hopefully to catch this. Got my alert all set, and they are alerting me as the price drops. There you heard it again, there we go again, there we go. It's telling me what's going on, so I have to keep my eye on the dashboard all the time. It pings me every time the price drops. And so when the price gets close to where I want to enter in, and I hear that alert, then it's battle station, baby. So where to catch this price point of it, and then we're going to ride it all the way up to $8,000 and beyond. Just scalping all day, scalping. But remember guys, this is a very small account that I use, and this is just for scalping, right? So all day I'm scalping 5,000, 7,000, 10,000. It take an hour, sometimes less, to scalp 5,000, 7,000. Then in my bigger accounts, I've got longer positions, right? Those longer positions can wait 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, but then you're cashing in like 50, 80, 100,000 rand from those positions, right? And then to keep myself busy, I scalp. Like there's lots of opportunities in the market. The market is brilliant. We love the volatility. We don't want stability. We want stability, right? You can't make money in a stable market. You can only make mad money in volatile markets. So we want those mad swings, right? We want those insanity, insane swings. They swing up and down, and every time it swings, you're right there to catch it at the bottom and release it at the top, right? And when you release it, bang, it's boom, money in the bank. So now I'll be sitting on 55,000 contracts, and that's the C, almost 0.1, which is, let me give you the exact, it's 0.869. That's about almost 10,000 rand, guys, 10,000 rand. Not bad. Right, catch you later, cheers. Yeah, just to remind you before I go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, give me a comment, share the video with your friends, let them know Bitcoin Craig is cashing in his Bitcoins, making Bitcoins all day long. If they want to learn how I'm doing it, they can join my group. You can join my group. I've got amazing opportunities in mining, in gold, hair bars, lifestyle, whatever you want, I got it. Let me know. Give me a shout. My number's down at the bottom. My contact details are there as well. And let me know. But be serious, right? Because I'm very serious about money. I don't want to waste your time, so please don't waste my time. So if you're serious about making this money, get hold of me, and we can definitely have a chat. Always busy trading, networking, traveling, making money. So I don't have time, to shoot the shit with you. So, but I can talk money with you. So if you're interested in that, let me know.